Welcome to the modern automated Quran production facility, where tradition meets technology.
Ever wondered how the Holy Quran is printed with such perfection? Let's go inside the factory. Every day, hundreds of sacred copies are carefully printed with precision. Every step is designed to respect the sanctity of the Quran.
It starts with premium quality paper, specially designed to last generations. Every page is digitally prepared with precise Arabic calligraphy, verified by scholars. Massive printing presses are loaded with special fade-resistant ink. The printing process begins. Watch as each page emerges with flawless precision.
Specialized printers ensure each letter is perfectly aligned.
Industrial cutters trim each page to exact specifications with millimeter precision.
Pages are organized in perfect sequence, every verse in its rightful place.
Now comes the binding process, where individual pages become a complete book.
Special archival quality adhesive is applied for bindings that last decades. Ink quality is continuously monitored for clarity and consistency. Cutting-edge sensors ensure flawless alignment. Automated stacking reduces human error and speeds production. High-quality covers are applied with care and precision. Finished copies are carefully packed for worldwide distribution.
Meanwhile, covers are prepared with embossed Arabic calligraphy and protective coating. The cover is attached to the bound pages, creating the complete Quran.
Books are pressed under controlled pressure, ensuring a perfect flat finish. They're left to cool and set, allowing the binding to cure properly.
Gold leaf is applied to the page edges for that premium finish.
Automated labeling ensures accurate delivery to every location.
Technology ensures every Quran is preserved in perfect condition.
This seamless automation honors the sacredness of the Quran. Every copy is a testament to precision, technology, and devotion. This is the future of Quran production: respectful, precise, and modern.
Each completed Quran undergoes a final comprehensive inspection. Serious quality commitment.
Books are carefully wrapped in protective plastic to preserve their pristine condition.
Tarsaments. Our dedicated team meticulously packs each silk-wrapped volume into these custom-designed boxes.
Each box receives labels with production details and destination information.
Boxes are stacked on pallets in preparation for distribution worldwide.
Finished products are stored in climate-controlled facilities before shipping. Orders are prepared for shipping to mosques, schools, and homes globally. Trucks are loaded with care, ready to deliver these precious books.
We need to optimize the flow here to prevent bottlenecks during the next shift.
Adjusting the parameters now, the AI suggests.
But technology alone isn't enough. Human expertise oversees every critical decision. Every worker is trained in respectful handling and Islamic printing ethics. These books reach over 180 countries, connecting millions with the holy text. From raw paper to finished masterpiece. This is the journey of the Holy Quran.
Combining tradition with technology to preserve and spread the word for generations.